And now we help people implement it because why? We know that people who do the course will never finish it because most people don't need information, they need implementation. This is the rule of business in money mechanics. Down the side says value perception. And then at the top, you're going to call it high resources. And at the bottom, you're going to say low resources. Down the side, I just want to draw some dollar signs that get more and more valuable as you move up. So what this means, why I do this is because there's effectively phases of business. The first thing at the top, this is what I call one-on-one coaching. Your time is the most valuable resource and you should charge the most for it. That's what I call done for you. I'm going to do it for you. I'm going to do it literally like my time is going to be involved, 100% of my time. Second thing, I just draw a little bracket around here, is what I call one-to-many. This is where everyone goes, oh, I want to be one-to-many because one-to-many is easy. Is it? Have you done it before? How do you know? And then the last bit, it's what everyone goes is, one to infinity, passive income. Okay, fantastic. How many people do you know make passive income as a coach? Passive, they do nothing, zero. So on the right side, you go done for you. Then there's what we call done with you, plus a little bit of done for you. That's called what I call hybrid. Done with you, and then do it yourself. What are we doing here? We just gave you the value ladder. The first thing is what we call info. And info just gives you information on an outcome, one to infinity. You can access it at any time. The more commoditized something is, the less valuable it is. But what does one to infinity help you do? Well, it gives you the basis to build a done with you process, because now you can help with implementation towards the outcome. Because now I've productized what I do, and now we help people implement it because why? We know that people who do the course will never finish it because most people don't need information, they need implementation. The next part is what we call speed to outcome. This is where people forget there's actual value in it. Like, I'm helping you implement, but as I'm helping you implement, I tell you to get a CRM. I tell you to hire a VA. I tell you to use LinkedIn. I tell you to do all these things, and you go, well, could you not provide that? Could you not help someone implement something and charge a bit more for it just for the sake of speed? Would there be someone that would pay for it? How do you, I just don't know how to build that funnel. Would you like me to build it for you? I'll get my team to do it. Oh, really? Yep. It's extra $5,000. Okay, great. The last part is ease of outcome. Would you just like me to do it for you? Let me just go in and do it. Would you like me to run your LinkedIn profile? I'll even sell for you. Would you like me to do that? I will run your LinkedIn profile. I'll generate the leads. I'll sell for you. You just literally make sure you tell me your bank account details. I'll put money in the bank. Right? $100,000 a year. Imagine how much pain could you take away by doing it? Dare to dream, guys. Because at the end of the day, the dream has dollars attached to it. And if you price yourself at a low point, you miss out. And so what I always say to people is, let's get this one right first. You're always going to undercharge. So let's get it right first. And then as you build it out, what you need to do is we need to figure out how to sandwich. So you think about it, you go, okay, cool. In the same conversation with every bloody client, why don't you productize some of that conversation, and then we can start to bridge the gap. Then you productize yourself. 80% of it is here. Your 20% is up there. You can actually start to outsource yourself by just productizing your IP. Pay someone more than what you're worth, because that's the thing. Your time is worth money. Pay someone less than what you're worth and then make more sales, right? And then all of a sudden you go, well, now I've got team. You just do 10% of it. And the speed to outcome, you go, well, maybe you just add another service into your products and maybe increase the price, and you could have someone implement that. But you see, there's ways to do it. At the end of the day, if you want to work with someone one-on-one, you work with someone one-on-one, you make money, and then we help you build the business better. Make money first.